Anybody know this scruff? When you see him pan road, is nobody. Him have 3 pitney in him yard. Him not mind him 3 pitney them because as can to him not mind no pitney. Me buy me stove. Buy 3 cylinder gas. This worthless scruff. This worthless dog when I even buy food give him pitney them. Me come home, come see my roast breadfruit for my stove. I said to him, said, don't roast no breadfruit for my stove because me and my pitney them now yam breadfruit. And further on, you know, buy food in your much less to buy a pan of gas. See what him do? Mash up my stove, take up the cylinder pan them put in my room because the cylinder pan them a theme pan but I'm me buy the gas. Anybody know this worthless dog? When you see my road that pumps up like him as body is no blood clot body. Is a worthless scruff. Oral St. George Raymond is one of the biggest worthless scruff. So I road, when him go road, him pumps up like him have snotty. I don't mind for the food when him not buy me a yard because me can't feed myself. Me an independent bitch. Have 3 pitney in my yard. Look on the dirty worthless boy. Boy can't even spell him blood clot name. Ask the done said boy for spell him name. Boy done like a blood clot bat. How him for style a blood clot done? Me a blood clot done because me a real mother. Oral St. George Raymond, you is a cruff father. You is a cruff father. That is why me a put out this. People look on the old cruff. Me tell him don't roast breadfruit for my stove. And I eat. See me stove there. See me stove there. Look on the old dirty cruff boy face. Me say, me solid as a blood clot rock. Stinking hurry can't read and write. You can't stop me. And them 3 pitney away you not mine. And I play top man roll out a road. I got on blood clot time. You a get fucked.
Alright, Mr. Rio, man. I really have much to say about you and your situation because everybody go through situation and different types of situation. But your woman a come out and say you not take care of you them. Worse, I hear you them. That sound wrong. You see me, no matter what you and the woman have. You see me, if you make a way for the youths them, you see me. And when you living at the same household and say you not mind your youth and something there. Even though 2 sides for every story. You see me? I'm not really going to bash you. Because I don't hear your side of the story. But on base of what the lady has said, you go to it wrong. Even if you and her have a fallout, you do it really wrong. Like